Hi friends, my name is Lauren. I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me for our first ever We're Gonna Make It challenge. Every week we'll have a new theme, and this week's theme is dinosaurs. I made this dinosaur here using a cardboard box, some paint, and googly eyes, but you can build using whatever you'd like. Anything that you have at home will do. Art supplies, Legos, Play-Doh, anything you can create with is perfect. So I'm going to take you through the steps of how to make a cardboard dinosaur. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is gather your supplies. I've got some markers, a bit of cardboard, and a pair of scissors. Now's the time you're also going to want to think about what your favorite dinosaur looks like. Okay, I decided to draw a Stegosaurus. I went over it with pencil first, and now I'm outlining it using marker. I've got my Stegosaurus body all drawn, and now it's time to create the legs. That's my first set of legs done, and now it's time to do the other over here. Now that my dinosaur body is all drawn, it's time to cut it out. This part wasn't easy for me, so remember, if you're having trouble, it's okay to ask for help. I'm gonna finish up all of my cutting, and I'll meet you back here when it's done. Now that all the parts of my dinosaur are cut out, it's time to attach the legs to the body. We're going to want to create a notch in the body of the dinosaur and also on those legs that we cut out. Watch where I put my notches. I'm making these about 1/2 inch deep. And we'll need notches in the legs too. I couldn't wait to see how my dinosaur looked all together. We're looking good and we're ready to decorate. Alright, I've got my paints. If you're gonna paint, it's always good to have paper towels and some water nearby. I'm using some painter's tape to create some fun stripes around my dinosaur's neck. Now it's time to paint. I'm using some classic dinosaur colors, green for the body and some white spikes. And remember to paint your legs too. Once you're done painting your first side, give it about 15 minutes to dry. I'm gonna give it the old touch test, and then we're ready to flip it over. I've missed you all so much, and I can't wait to see everybody's projects. You can make yours any color you want, any shape you want. You can glue stuff to it, give it extra legs, silly hats. Just have fun. I gave my dinosaur some time to dry, and now I'm putting it together. He's missing something. Bailey, what does my dinosaur need? Great idea, Bailey. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a cardboard dinosaur. Remember, you can build using whatever materials you have around your house. When you're done, have a grown-up take a picture and you can email it to library@cranfordnj.org or post it in the comments of our Facebook premiere video. Whatever works for you. You'll have all weekend to build. Be sure to get us your photos before Sunday night. On Monday morning, we'll put together a little virtual gallery of everybody's amazing work. It'll be fantastic.